How to take full page screenshot in Google Chrome. So in today's video, I will be guiding you through how to take full page screenshot in Google Chrome without any extensions. So it will also include a scrolling part. So in Google Chrome, you need to open any page that has the scroll. So in this page also we can see that there is the scrolling part. So in order to take the screenshot of whole page, we need to simply right click on this page, and from this page you might see the inspect option. You can simply click on it, or else you can also press Ctrl Shift and I on your keyboard and the developer mode will open, where you can also click on the three dots at the top right corner and you need to select the more tools, and here you can see the developer tools. So it's the same way, and once this developer tool will open, you need to simply, what you need to do here is you need to press Ctrl Shift and P on your keyboard. Then this run page will open, or a run dialog will open here at the top right corner of the screen, where you have to write your screenshot. And here you will see the capturing screenshot in different format. Simply you need to select capture full size screenshot and click on screenshot next to it, and once done it will be downloaded later. You have to wait for a while, and as you can see that it has already been downloaded, so you need to open it. Once you open it, and when you see here that we have successfully screenshotted the full size page in Google Chrome. So in this way you can easily view it, or you can also share it to anyone you wish to. So in this way you can easily take the full page screenshot in Google Chrome. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.